Make optimal use of integrated co-packing with Na-Nomi. Integrated co-packing can benefit you greatly. Lower logistics costs, shorter lead times, make-to-order production with a single point of contact. Na-Nomi is the result of a joint venture between Nabuur's Supply Chain Solutions and Nomi Co-packing, two top 3 fast-moving consumer goods service providers. This unique collaboration means that you can address all your logistic issues to a single contact point, even if co-packing is also involved. Our great strength: integrated co-packing. We don't take co-packing out of the logistics chain. We perform it within the supply chain. So storage does not require a separate location. Storage is at our warehouse, where the co-packing takes place. And if desired, direct delivery through the Nabuur's distribution networks. By reducing the number of links, we eliminate waste. This allows you to achieve shorter lead times, save costs, and improve the sustainability of your business operations, while you continue to focus only on your core business. Co-packing is a matter of smart buying, outsourcing your packing activities based on your specifications. But there exist many other situations in which co-packing can be of immense added value. In cases of ad hoc required capacity, for instance, a fully prepared marketing campaign, or seasonal packaging for which purchasing and logistics still needs organizing at the very last moment. Or quickly repacking packaging volume A when it turns out that volume B is out of stock. Or what about redressing errors during the packing process, such as incorrect expiry dates? Why would you commit precious production capacity for that when you can outsource it? With Na-Nomi, you can address such situations in a flash. More and more producers are also choosing to leave the entire traffic management to us, daily co-packing as well as one-off actions. We analyze your packaging wishes, make business cases for your marketers based on multiple scenarios, think with you about functionality and costs, assess the achievability of different options, and if necessary, offer practical alternatives. We work according to the GS1 standard. Our level of mechanization is higher than in conventional co-packing. That lets us produce 180,000 displays, for example, per year at low cost in various versions. And due to the deep integration of the Nabuur's and Nomi systems, we've also achieved a single workflow in administration. As a result, we've built up an always-on-time track record. So, want to take advantage of the power of integrated co-packing? We would be glad to assist you in creating the optimal solution.